Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Facebook long videos not showing or Facebook long videos not coming or only showing the reels. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. So now if you go to this option, you can see only reels is showing, but no long videos is showing. So what you have to do to fix it is go to the three lines icon on the top right. Now you can navigate to the settings from here, and you can also navigate to the settings from settings and privacy. Now go to settings. So once you're in your settings, scroll down and go to this tab bar from preferences. Now go to this customized bar. Now here you can find this video section. Tap on that auto and change it to hide. Now go back and turn off your Facebook. Now turn on your Facebook again or open up the application. Now go to the three lines icon on the top right. Now here you'll find the video option. Go to this video, and now you can see the long videos from your Facebook. Just not only reels, you can find your reels too. So yeah, this is how you can do it. I hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.